So waking up too tired from training to run before work, and then I've got no time after, unless I just force myself before work. But then I still need energy for work and training at night.
Welcome to the Heavy Hitters podcast, helping ambitious fighters and coaches take their game to the next level by bridging the gap between strength and conditioning, performance science, and Muay Thai. And here is your host, Don Heatrick.
I've had a question from Jamie who's reached out on Instagram. I'm going to read it out to you for full context before I give an answer. Is 3 runs needed, mate? I work 5 days a week, wake up at around 7 a.m, get to work for 8:30 a.m. to 5 p.m, then get 2 buses to training, 6 p.m. to 8 or 8:30 p.m, and then get home for about 9 p.m. By the time I'm showered and fed, it's time to sleep for work again. I always wake up shattered from training. So waking up too tired from training to run before work, and then I've got no time after, unless I just force myself before work, which I'm going to try my best to do, as I know it's a mindset thing. But then I still need energy for work and training at night, but can always get 2 strength and conditioning and 1 sprint in per week, and run 1.2 miles a week at Muay Thai. Don't know if that's too much to read or take in, but what I'm meaning is I work, then go straight to training, then sleep and repeat. So it's hard to find time to fit in 3 runs a week before work. I could run on a Saturday or Saturday and Sunday and leave out a rest day. 1 run on top of everything else that's going on there is enough, as long as it's lasered in on the specific energy systems development that matches the purpose of your training block. So is it more a requirement that you've got aerobic capacity being built with more steady state work? Or is it more aerobic power, where we're working more higher intensity intervals? Or even closer to the end of the fight camp, really close to the fight, are we working anaerobic lactic power with inadequate rest and recovery, and it's very high intensity intervals with short rest periods? Training is only making you fitter, stronger, more skillful if you're recovering from it. And we need to take into account not only the training stress, but all the stress that you've got going on in your life, even outside of training. So work commitments, family commitments, how good is your sleep, how much sleep are you getting? All of that is crucial to make sure you're recovering enough for you to keep progressing in your training. All of those stresses, including the training stress, need to be managed and balanced to have an effective training program. And it's crucial that you're taking at least 1 full day's rest each week as well. Otherwise, you're on that slippery slope to overtraining and potentially injury, not to mention a jaded and lackluster Muay Thai performance.
Thanks for listening. If you found this valuable, please like, subscribe, and share with someone else it could help too. Please give the podcast a review or comment below. We'd love to hear from you. As always, you can visit heatrick.com for more Muay Thai performance podcasts, videos, articles, and guides. Catch you next time.